Hello, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day. Today we speak about walnuts. I have more and even more. So I can show you lots of them. But my main message which I want to tell you regarding walnuts today, it's about the possibility to use AI for quality control of walnuts, and specifically I hope to place here some screenshots. So regarding quality control of walnuts, it's a topic which is quite similar to the hazelnuts, which I already covered, the first step of hazelnut quality control. And still, there are some things which I want to demonstrate. The main idea of quality control of walnuts, specifically when we speak about assessment readiness to be sent to customer, is about the visual appearance as well as chemical components, chemical composition of a specific sample. And what we see from the producers, because we spoke with producers, not the growers. Producers are looking for some tools which can help them to speed up the process of all this visual assessment. Because currently I can show you, for example, this one, but maybe this one. Oh, this one will be perfect example. So if you will look at these three walnuts, they are pretty much the same. And especially I understand that you are looking through camera, so it's not like the real life experience. But in my opinion, my professional opinion as walnut quality control inspector, this one is a larger one. But the challenge is that when you are checking the sizes of these walnuts, you will see the difference. And that's why computer vision is helping with assessment of size of the walnuts and nut in shell. It's also important to mention that it's nuts in shell, not already extracted, because when they are at the intake gate, they are not assessing any other things, just nut in shell size, and they are doing counting as well. So that's why computer vision and deep learning can speed up. And what is also interesting, that only photo of walnuts and count and sizing is good, but again, if you see, because I saw some examples when smart companies are doing sizing, but they place every measurement in a chart. So that's why our answer to this, I mean our EPTL Pro answer to this, is that basically you can either group the sizes or use just statistical methods and provide average. Also provide the standard deviation, so you will see the allocation of sizes and you can understand what is in front of you just through one photo and one look at the numbers, and not scrolling down all 50, let's say, walnuts, and you are just trying to understand how their size is in comparison with the others. Yes, and another thing which is nice as well, and we are piloting currently this thing, is about the attributes which are important to link with the specific photo. Because again, it's not our idea, it's what we hear from the nut producers, walnut producers, and at all traditional they have some other nuts, not just walnuts, but also the other wider portfolio of nuts, let's say. So they are trying to add some either geotagging or time stamp or variety or location, like not location, maybe like geotag, but their own like internal naming of this location, if it's warehouse, for example. Or, there are plenty of information which has to be attached to this specific sample. And even if you speak about then later on chemical composition for this sample, you can still link everything with one photo. And this photocentric world, we have photocentric universe in our PTL Pro, because we have photo as the main resource of everything, and then we built up machine learning models, we add some attributes which can help to understand more about this photo. And that's why we believe that the future of quality control in walnuts and in nut production at all is photo-based, mobile-first, offline-based as well, because it's possible. It's possible to do offline assessment, and you don't need to have powerful internet connection in your warehouse just to do this traditional QC. And what else? Yes, another point regarding the future of production is few models simultaneously. So I mean that having one photo, you can still do counting and sizing simultaneously. So this saves time, and this gives your quality control inspectors more effort, more power, more time, more energy to do something else, and to be more attentive to their daily routine and their daily jobs. I hope this is helpful for you and interesting. I will continue about nuts. Next time it will be not walnuts, a different nut, but I will try to give you extra thing to consider when you will design your quality control process in the future. Thank you so much.